Hi everyone, so hi, this is Akash from Fastest India Group, and today we are talking about what is the use of mean, median, and mode in replacing the null values in a data frame. So it's often comes a situation that once we are dealing with a data frame, that we have some columns available in which we have to replace the null values. So to replace the null values, we have uh, three options available: to replace it with the mean value, to replace it with the median value, and to replace it with the mode value. So what is the correct position where we can use the mean? So uh, let's take a look that if we have our data available that is uniformly distributed. So in case of uniform distribution of the data for a single column, we can use mean. It is the best possible method available to replace the null values in case of a uniformly distributed data that have a bit that will be moving from lowest to highest in a slightly organized way. So in second case, what is the position where we can replace the null values with the median? So for the median distribution, we have to take a look on the data that have let's look that this is the mean value. So we have a kind of data that is somehow distributed here and somehow distributed here, but it's not lying on the mean. So in that kind of situation, we will choose the median value. So it's a situation that we have the values that is not lying in the mean most of the time. It is distributed uniformly above the mean and below the mean. So in that case, we will choose the median value. In third case, what happens is that we have find out that the data available is that it has some values that is lying at some places, or what I can say, it have some highest values, it have some lowest values, but it have some of its values that not lie in the middle, but it's most of the values lie at certain positions. So in that case, we will choose the highest occurring value, that is the mode. So this is the way to replace the null values in case of mean, median, and mode. Thank you.